To start off the look, I already did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige as my eye primer. I'm going to pick up my Jessup large fluffy brush to blend out the concealer all over my eyelid. Moving on to shadows, I'm picking up that magenta shade from my J Cosmetic Yessy palette, and I'm going to use my large tapered blending brush to blend that all over my crease. You really want to make sure that the color is well and nicely saturated, so I'm going to take my time in building this color and blending it out, so that way it is nice and pigmented. So I'm going to take that same magenta shade from the Yessy palette and blend that all over the outer view of my eyes and also into my crease. To deepen the crease, I'm going into my Nuban Beauty Wishes palette and I'm taking that neutral brown shade on a large blending brush. I'm going back in with my tapered blending brush with no color on it to make sure that the crease color and the transition color are well blended in together. Going into my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 34, and I'm picking up a flat brush to cut the crease. I like to use this flat brush because it helps me to get the cut really defined. I went in with another flat brush to top off the excess concealer on my eyelid. Now I'm picking up that neutral brown shade to apply all over the outer view of my eyes to blend into the concealer. To fill in my lid, I'm picking up that green shade from the Yessy palette and I'm going to apply this with a flat brush. I'm going back into the brown shade I applied on the outer view of my eyes to blend into my lid color to make sure that everything is well blended in together and that there are no harsh lines. I'm also picking up the magenta shade I used all over my crease and my transition area to blend into my lid shade. I'm picking up a green glitter to use to line the cut crease. To create my wing liner, I'm using the Quickie black eyeliner. To prepare my lashes for my false lashes, I'm using my Zaron Lengthening mascara. You guys already know about this mascara. I talk about it in almost all my videos. To line my waterline, I'm using my Maybelline Collosal kajal. I'm going in with a face wipe to wipe off all the excess eyeshadow fallout. This is the lashes I'll be applying today. I got this from AliExpress. I'm done with my eyes for now and I'm moving on to my face. For my face primer, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Primer. Moving on to foundation today, I'm using two different foundations. I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade Amber. The Milani is too light for me and the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation is a bit too dark for me. And for the NYX, I'm in the shade Cappuccino. I'm going in with my damp Nuban Beauty in my Skin Beauty blender to blend out the foundation. For concealer, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Dark 42 and I'm also using the Medium Dark 38 to brighten my under eyes a bit. For cream contour, I'm going into my Nuban Beauty in my Skin Concealer in the shade 047 to apply all over my cheek and my forehead. I'm going to use my Jessup Dual Fiber brush to blend out the contour. Using the same damp beauty blender I used in blending out my foundation, I'm going to blend out my concealer in all the places I applied it. I went back in with my dual fiber brush to make sure there were no harsh line between my contour and my concealer. And to set all the areas where I applied my concealer, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm picking up the powder using the same beauty blender I used in blending out my concealer. I blew off all the excess powder I picked up with the beauty blender, and I'm making sure I press the powder into my skin and not baking under my eyes. I'm going into my Milani Mineralise compact powder in the shade Warm. I'm going to use this to set all the areas where I applied my contour. Now I'm picking up that powder in my powder brush from Jessup. I'm picking up that same Milani powder on an angled brush to contour my nose. To set my makeup and make sure it doesn't move throughout the day, I'm using my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Moving back to my eyes, I'm using the brown shade I used all over my crease to apply under my lash line, and I'm using the Jessup Flat Definer brush. For my inner corner highlight and my brow bone, I'm picking up a champagne shade from the J Cosmetics Yessy palette. I'm picking up that same champagne shade to apply on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and also my cheekbones. I'm going to go in one more time with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray to set my makeup. For my bottom lashes, I'm using my Zaron Lengthening Mascara. To line my lips, I went in with David's pencil in number 3 and I used the one in number 18 to fill in my lips. For lipstick, I used my Colourpop X MakeupShayla lipstick in the shade Quickie. For lip gloss, I used my Beauty by AD lip gloss in the shade Glint. And that pretty much completes this makeup look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comment section down below what other videos you'd like to see me create. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.